Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the JBL Go 4, the latest in JBL's lineup of compact Bluetooth speakers. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more in-depth reviews like this. Let's kick things off with the design. The JBL Go 4 is designed with portability in mind. It's compact, measuring just 3.7 x 3 by 1.7 inches and weighing only 6.7 ounces. This makes it incredibly easy to carry around, whether you're traveling or heading to a friend's place. In terms of build quality, it feels solid despite its small size. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors, which adds a nice touch of personalization. The speaker also boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, which is impressive for its size and price point. Moving on to features, the Go 4 supports Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, ensuring a stable connection and decent range. It also offers multi-point connectivity, allowing you to connect two devices simultaneously, which is handy if you're sharing the speaker with a friend. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect: sound quality. Considering its size, the JBL Go 4 delivers surprisingly decent sound. The mids and highs are clear and crisp, making vocals and instrumentals enjoyable to listen to. However, don't expect deep bass from this speaker. It lacks a bit in the lower frequencies, which is common for speakers of this size. Battery life is rated at around 7 hours, which is adequate for casual use. It's not the longest among Bluetooth speakers, but it should get you through a day's worth of use without issues. Charging is done via a micro USB port, which is standard. In terms of connectivity, pairing the Go 4 with your devices is straightforward. It also has a built-in microphone for hands-free calling, adding to its versatility. The controls are intuitive, located on the top of the speaker, allowing you to adjust volume, play, pause tracks, and answer calls easily. So, should you consider buying the JBL Go 4? If you're looking for a budget-friendly Bluetooth speaker that's highly portable and offers decent sound quality for its size, then yes, it's worth considering. It's perfect for travelers, students, or anyone who wants a reliable speaker for small gatherings or personal use. That wraps up our review of the JBL Go 4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment below with your thoughts on this speaker. Also, consider subscribing to Product Critique for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.